Girls, you're here. Come in, come in.
Hi, Mrs. Thompson. Good morning.
Good morning, sweetheart. Thank you for helping Emma with all this.
Of course. I'm really happy we're moving in together.
We're just getting the last few things.
Morning, Natalya. Good to see you again.
Good to see you too, Mr. Thompson.
You two ready for the big day?
As ready as I'll ever be.
Oh, great. The moving crew's here.
Hi, Dylan.
Hey, Natalya.
Hey, troublemaker.
Wow, I feel so appreciated already. So, which boxes do I pretend are too heavy?
None. You're helping.
Ugh, this is emotional abuse.
Dylan.
Fine, I'll help. But only because Natalya is here and I have to maintain my reputation.
What reputation?
Exactly. Why do you own so many books? Since when do you read?
I do read.
Instagram captions don't count.
Shut up and carry it properly.
Ugh, I'm pretty sure this is a human rights violation.
You're literally 15, Dylan.
Exactly. A child. So, you're really leaving.
I'm not moving to another planet.
Feels like it. Who's gonna drive me to school when I oversleep?
Mom.
She drives slow. I age 5 years every time. I'm gonna miss you, you know.
I'm gonna miss you too.
Okay. You, feelings. Let's never do that again.
Deal.
There you are. Got a minute?
Of course. What's up?
I wanted to show you something before you go.
Dad. No way.
She's not new, but she's solid. And she's yours.
Dad, I can't. You didn't have to.
I know, but you're moving out. Starting your own life. You shouldn't have to borrow your mom's car forever.
I liked Mom's car.
Yeah, well, this one's better. I rebuilt the engine myself, changed the brakes, new tires. She'll take care of you.
Thank you, Dad. Really.
Just promise me one thing.
What?
Just don't let your brother drive it. You know how he is.
Don't worry, I promise.
Text me when you get there, okay? It's almost an hour away.
I will, Mom. Don't worry.
Eat something real today, not just coffee.
I'll try.
If anything breaks in the apartment, call me. If anything sounds weird in the car, call me. If anything feels off, call me.
So basically, call you.
Exactly.
Wow, downtown. That's practically another planet.
Dylan, it's 1 hour away.
Yeah, far away. A heroic journey. Okay, that's enough.
Rumi, we gotta go before traffic gets crazy.
I'll see you guys soon.
We love you.
I love you too.
Ugh, we're almost done. This place is going to look so cute once we finish.
Yeah. And thanks for helping me with all of this. Oh, by the way, Alex texted me earlier. He says hi.
Oh, really? And how's Mr. Always Busy doing?
He's good, I think. He said he's buried in work. It's been 10 days and I don't know. I miss him.
Has he texted you again today?
No, just that message. He's just busy.
Yeah, they always are. Anyway, Santiago texted me yesterday.
He did?
Yep. He says he already wants to come back to Denver. He misses the weather, the food, and other things.
Santiago is something else.
New place, new chapter. Alex would be proud of you.